Last week I had my first jury trial since courts reopened, since the COVID shutdown, and I was really nervous going into it. I just wasn't sure how the different safety protocols that we have in place were going to affect the trial, how jurors would be able to relate to us or connect with the parties, witnesses, with the lawyers, and just sort of general uncertainty about how it's going to happen. As it turned out, most of those fears were really misplaced. The jurors were still the same, our interaction was still the same, and things really went off without a hitch. The case was in Bibb County State Court, and I can say that their protocols were really very good, and the way that things were handled was pretty exceptional, I thought. It was really smooth. But I had sort of one takeaway in looking back over the trial, and I try to reevaluate things that worked and things that didn't work so well. And I know that one thing that I can sort of put my finger on in light of us being in mass that I will make sure that I emphasize going forward is that you really need to rely upon exhibits and PowerPoints. It's really important that because jurors can't see your mouth, they a lot of times probably can't understand what you're saying. That is a real concern that we have in these trials. That you need to have something in writing, some pictures, some additional aid to give them to reemphasize what it is that you're saying, because you can't just rely upon them hearing what you're going to say through that mask. So if you're preparing for a trial, make sure that you're using PowerPoint pretty heavily, that you use any sort of exhibits that you can to actually show them what it is that you're talking about. It's really important with them not being able to see you talk that they have something else to refer to reemphasize what it is that you're saying. Obviously, PowerPoints are important and kind of a crucial part of our trials in sort of modern trials, in the way that we think about presenting different exhibits, different types of things that we're cross-examining witnesses on in our closing argument, but they're exceptionally important in light of the COVID protocol. So I hope that's helpful if you got a trial coming, and you guys are staying safe, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.